Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cookies without chocolate chips. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Also, have 1 cup of unsalted butter, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar ready. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect flavor. Now, let's get to mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter with both the granulated and brown sugars until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, then gradually add them to the wet mixture, mixing until just combined. This is where the fun begins customizing your cookies. Instead of chocolate chips, consider adding 1 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans for a delightful crunch. For a fruity variation, mix in 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, raisins, or even chopped dried apricots. If you prefer a brighter flavor, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon or orange zest can add a wonderful aromatic touch. Feel free to experiment with cinnamon, oats, or even a dash of nutmeg for unique combinations. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your creations. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown. Let them cool on the baking sheet for about 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade, chocolate chip-free cookies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.